We ain't got all day to be washing our hair. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a 3-step easy wash day routine. You heard that? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and go to the shower. Brace yourself. Are you guys ready for me to reveal what's under this cap? Y'all ready? I don't think you're ready. So I'm going to need you to take a seat. Because, whoo. Okay, you ready? Oh, look at this. When's the last time I washed my hair? That's a good question. When is the last time I don't remember, all right? Yeah, y'all see this? Crunchy, dirty, a whole bunch of gel that has been packed on my hair. As you guys can see, ew, that's gel. It's matted. It's itchy, dirty. Don't judge me, all right? Because we gonna get it together. We gonna wash our hair more often and we gonna take better care of our hair in less time. First and foremost, I want to give credit where credit is due. I got inspired to do this video by The Chick Natural. I will link her video in the description box down below. You guys know she's literally like the queen of natural hair. But this video is a 3-step wash day. I'm going to be washing my hair, conditioning my hair, and stretching my hair. And literally, I did it in no time. Okay, so this is like the easiest wash day routine ever. When I say I am in love and I will never be spending all day washing my hair ever again, I never will. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe. The soap is in my eyes. Make sure you scratch your scalp. Make sure it's clean. Get in there, okay? Don't be afraid. I'm throwing in a shameless plug. Y'all know there ain't never no shame in my game. I did a whole video dedicated to showing off the magics of this detangling brush. So you guys can check out that video in the description box down below. I will have all the products I use in the description box down below. But yeah, check out the video if you guys are interested in seeing all the magic this brush can actually do, all right? So yeah, back to the video, back to the music. My hair feels so soft and I can actually run my hands through it. And then we're gonna plait it down, 3 strands, plait, just braid it down. Very end, turn your 3 strands into 2 strands and then just twist. We got 3 down and 1 more to go. I'm gonna re-wet my hair because my hair is literally almost dry already. So we have our conditioner on. Ooh-wee. I'm loving the definition this detangler is giving my hair. Y'all see that? You guys see? Oh my gosh, hold on. It looks so good. Yes. Do y'all see that? Oh, the definition, baby, come through. The definition come through. There we go. Yes. I hope you guys love me because I'm taking so much longer than it would take me if I didn't have to record. So make sure you guys drop a like. Let me get up close. 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 Let me get up close for the details. Let me get up close for the detail. Let me get up close. Right? That's my 4 sections. And now I'm going to rinse my hair out. Let me zoom in. And now I'm going to rinse my hair out with the conditioner. And there you have it. Your hair is all washed. You guys, my floor is soaking wet. Oh my gosh. So just want to show you guys how much hair I lost. And keep in mind, this all isn't my hair because I was wearing some black, a ponytail for a while. So yeah, just want to show you guys that. So we are all done with step 1 and step 2. So step 1 is shampoo your hair. Step 2 is condition your hair. So now I have my hair like this. It's still wet. I'm gonna let it air dry throughout the day and overnight. So I have a ton of things to do today, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this good old wig on right here. So we have that. It doesn't matter how the top looks because I'm gonna put on a little beanie. And your girl's styling. No one would even know. Stay tuned for the look for tomorrow. And that was it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. My hair is clean, conditioned, stretched. I can part my hair. And now I'm basically ready to style my hair. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. I did knotless box braids with beads. And y'all gonna see it was super bomb, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned for this style because as y'all see, bomb.